Welcome to another exciting product review. Today, we will be diving into the world of photography with the Canon EOS 1500D to 41 digital SLR camera packed with impressive features. This camera is designed to cater to both beginners and enthusiasts alike. Join us as we explore its capabilities and discover why it is a must-have tool for aspiring photographers. Are you ready to take your photography skills to the next level? Look no further than the Canon EOS 1500D, a feature-rich DSLR camera that combines high-resolution imaging, precise autofocus, and wireless connectivity for a seamless shooting experience. Equipped with a 241MP APS-C CMOS sensor, the Canon EOS 1500D delivers stunning image quality that allows for large prints and effortless image cropping. This sensor is high resolution, ensures every detail is captured with precision, bringing your photographs to life with an ISO sensitivity range of 100640. The camera excels in low light conditions, producing grain-free pictures even in challenging environments. The camera's Digic 4 Plus image processor plays a vital role in enhancing performance. With this processor, you can expect snappy autofocus and swift burst photography thanks to its 9 autofocus points. This capability is particularly valuable when capturing fast-paced action or fleeting moments, ensuring you never miss a shot. The Canon EOS 1500D does not limit your creativity to still photography alone. It boasts full HD video recording with fully manual control and selectable frame rates, granting you the freedom to express your vision through high-quality videos. Whether you are shooting a short film or documenting an event, this camera allows you to achieve precise control over your footage. Gone are the days of cumbersome file transfers and limited control options. The Canon EOS 1500D comes with built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, enabling you to remotely control your camera and transfer pictures wirelessly on the go. This connectivity trio revolutionizes the way you work, providing convenience and flexibility that enhances your shooting experience. The camera features an EFS mount that is compatible with all EF and EFS lenses, offering a vast selection of lenses to suit your specific needs. Whether you are capturing landscapes, portraits, or macro shots, the Canon EOS 1500D provides versatility and adaptability, making it a valuable tool for any photography enthusiast. In conclusion, the Canon EOS 1500D 24.1 digital SLR camera is a powerhouse that combines excellent image quality, precise autofocus, and convenient wireless connectivity. With its user-friendly interface and impressive performance, it is an ideal choice for both beginners and more experienced photographers. Unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking moments with the Canon EOS 1500D, your perfect companion on your photographic journey.